Legacy brownfield assets rely on hard-to-find, out-of-date information for maintenance, brownfield projects, and operational decision-making. Building and maintaining an accurate, usable asset information model of these sites is difficult. Most legacy sites do not have current CAD models. Information is siloed in disparate systems and difficult to find. Frequent site visits are needed to verify existing site conditions and plan work packages. Decisions are being made without having access to complete and up-to-date asset information, leading to increased safety risk and field exposure, loss of production from unplanned maintenance, and increased costs in managing asset information. VEERUM Reality Site is a proactive step in modernizing your legacy assets without the need for a CAD model. Leverage the recent advancements in data capture technology to get a detailed 3D reality scan of your site, enabling remote site visits. Now, users can ingest a tag list from your enterprise asset management system and link individual tags to related equipment in the reality scan. This creates a smart asset information model for anyone to access. Simply drag and drop the tag in the correct location in the reality asset information model. As you can see, the object is automatically sized with the dimensional data included. Place objects in just 3 clicks. Any information source associated with the tag will also be connected and viewable in the 3D viewer. This could include documents, inspection records, work orders, permits, and real-time operating data. With VEERUM, you have successfully built a data-rich digital twin of your legacy asset, providing an accurate single source of truth to enable remote operations, maintenance, and brownfield project planning. VEERUM's delivery team is here to help you on your digital transformation journey. With decades of industry experience and a diverse network of complementary partners, VEERUM can help you collect, aggregate, and visualize your existing data to start modernizing your legacy assets. It's time to trust your data. Reduce the need for frequent, expensive, and restrictive site visits with virtual site access. Monitor site health and plan for maintenance from the safety and convenience of the home or office. With VEERUM Reality Site, you can transform how your team operates and maintains its legacy assets. Book a demo today to realize the potential of your existing brownfield asset information.